In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Google Trends blog that can earn $100,000. We are also going to learn how we can get keywords from Google Trends and write SEO-rich blog for trending topics using DeepSeek AI. Let's get started.
If you go on the Google Trends, copy any topic and search on the Google. So here you can see these websites are writing blogs only on the trending topics, and these are ranking on the top. So for example, if you click on this website, and you can see, check out this simple blog, and there is no images. This is a simple blog and there is no a huge text length, and this is a simple and clean blog. Okay, and if you see the earning of this website, which is writing only for the Google Trends, you can see the organic traffic is 9,085 and the traffic value is $177,000. If you make it half of this, you can say at least $100,000 this website is earning, and the most of traffic is from United States, so the earning is sure. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find the Google Trends and how you can write the amazing articles just like this into this video step by step, and you can write amazing articles using DeepSeek AI within few minutes, and you can also earn the money as this website owners is earning. In this step, we are going to find the Google Trends. To finding the Google Trends, you just need to go here on this website, trends.google.com/trends. So here you can explore the trends for your country, any country. For example, here is my country, Pakistan. So you can check out. For example, I just want to check the trends for the United States. So I will explore to the United States. For example, this one is this United States. So I will just select this one. And now it will give us the trends for the United States. So here are two terms. For example, if you click on explore, you can explore the last recent trends. For example, past 12 months trends, past hour, past 4 hours, past day, past 7 days, past 30 days. For example, I just select past 30 days trends. So these are the most trending. Okay, and here you can also select again the country if you want to change. And here you can select the web searches, image searches, new searches, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. So for example, if you select the YouTube search, you can get the YouTube search trends. So we go with the web searches because we need in web searches. And here you can select the categories. For example, art and entertainment, auto vehicles, beauty and fitness, books, and so on. So for example, we select the finance. So in the finance, I just want to check the queries that are the top search here. So you can see these are 250%. So the gold price topic, and there are the accountants topics, and here is the search queries: Ryan Wars, Earth Day, stock, the accountant, the United States stock. Okay, and this is how you can find out the trends. So here we just want to check the trends for the foods and drinks. For example, computer and electronics. So for example, I select computer and electronics. So here you will see these topics will be on top: US teacher approach 2025 and so on. So here you can select the rising to top, and these are the top, these are the top platforms that this is ranking. So here you can also export these all into the CSV. So I have gotten these search queries and I just want to make it the CSV file. So I will just click here and get it the CSV file. So these are the CSV files of these 17 queries. Okay, so there you can see the next pages are today, momentum, speed source, and so on. So these are the most trending topics of last 30 days. So I have the CSV file of my trending topics in last 30 days. So you can also search for via your search term. For example, if you search for the WordPress, so here you will see there are some trends. These are OT82. So you can also add your search term to get the search queries for your topic. But this is not a good term. You just need to go with the Google top search queries that are the trending now. Now if you click on this USDJ approach on the top of the line search query, you can see here the search volume and the cities where this is going to be searched, and as well as there are other rising topics related to your query. So this is how you can get the amazing trending topics and trending keywords from the Google Trends. Now the next step is to writing the blogs on these trends. Now we have the Google Trends blogs, and I have selected some of the keywords or some of the top queries into the Google Trends. So this is the CSV file that were downloaded recently. Okay, now the next step is how we can write the blogs on these trends. So this is very simple. You just need to go on the Google and copy the top search. For example, this query that we want to write the article, and go on Google and search. So you can see this is the top results, and this is the Google result, and these are the top 3 results. So this is the 1, 2, 3. So you just need to copy these 3 results and go into the DeepSeek. Now you just need to open a new chat and copy the first one, copy the link and paste here. And here you just need to copy the link and paste here, and as well as you just need to copy the link and paste here. Now you have top 3 results here, and you just need to shift enter here, and on the top of the line you just need to copy your keyword again. For example, copy the keyword and paste here the keyword here, and you just need to write here the keyword. So this is our keyword, and now you need to write the prompt below here, and this prompt is also given into the description. Given this prompt into the description, you can just copy the prompt and paste here below your keyword. Okay, and you just need to add lastly your top links here. Okay, so this is the whole prompt will be given to the DeepSeek, and hit the enter button. Now it has been written a complete article with SEO title, meta description, and the prompts for the images as well. You can see this is the image prompt that is being used in here, and these are the text. So for example, this is the image. So if you want to create the images, you can create free of cost. So I will generate all these images one by one, and then I will paste the article into my WordPress website. So here I just copy this prompt here and go into a free website. I'm going to reveal. There you can create unlimited images without any cost, and there is no credit limit. Go to chat.qin.ai. Here you just need to sign in with your Google account, and here you just need to click here. In that you can see there is an image generation option. You just need to click here, and here you just need to select the image ratio. For example, I just select the 16:19. Okay, and here you just need to write here the prompt of the images that you need. Okay, and just click on this. Within few seconds your image will be ready. Here you can see this an amazing image has been created. If I can zoom it, you can see the beautiful most HD image has been used here. So this is how you can generate the images for your blog. So one by one you can generate the images. For example, there is another image as another images in that. For example, all of these prompts you just need to convert into the images and download into your PC, and then you just need to go into your WordPress website. For example, I just go into my WordPress website and paste the images and the text into my blog. Here you just need to click here, post this, click on add new. Here you just need to add the title. For example, this is the title. Just copy that title here and paste here, and copy all the text that is written by AI and paste here. Also, you just need to generate the images as I already showed here, and upload images here, just like I have created the image, and just click here and search for image and upload the image that we generated. For example, this is the image that we have generated. Okay, and here you can see this image has been generated, as well as if you see here the rank math score, and here you can just check the description and the SEO title. So you just need to click here, edit, and here you just need to go back, and on the top you will see the SEO title. Just copy the SEO title and paste here, as well as you can increase or decrease the SEO title length, for example, here. So you just need to copy the description as well, the SEO meta description, and paste here. And here in the permalink, you just need to add few words as the permalinks. Okay, and you can see this is done, and you can go back. And here our the keyword. So what is our keyword? Our keyword is this one, the US Teacher Appreciation Day. Okay, so just copy that and paste here. So the Teacher Appreciation Day, you can see this is almost 67, and there are additional things that you will add the internal links and external links, so this will be more than 90. Okay, so I just add some internal and external links, so and just click on publish. Now after adding the internal external links, and here after replacing the images, I have also added some YouTube videos, and this is the final result of the article, you can see. And if you see here on the preview of the website, so let me see on the front end how it looks like, and let me preview on the front end. So you can see this an amazing Teachers Appreciation Day article is done, and you can see I have just added few images because I was not have time to add the images. So here you can see these are the images that I have added, and this is the preview of the article. So I hope you like this video and you understand or learn how you can write the amazing blogs on the Google Trends and earn a lot of money. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any issue regarding this tutorial.